As a performance optimization, Swift lets you create some properties only when they're needed. As an example, consider this family tree struct. It doesn't do much, but in theory, creating a family tree for someone takes a long time. Struct family tree, init, print creating family tree, end init, end struct. Now we might use that family tree struct as a property inside a person struct, like this. Struct person, var name string, var family tree equals family tree, init name string, self.name equals name, end the init, end the struct. And we'll call a new person Ed, var ed equals person, name Ed. But what if we didn't always need the family tree for a particular person? If we add the lazy keyword to the family tree property, then Swift will only create the family tree struct when it's first accessed. If you want to see the creating family tree message, you need to access the property at least once.